Hi all, I'm MathYan. Before I proceed, please click like and subscribe for more videos to learn this special multiplication series. Let's start. Special multiplication part 2. Very effective dynamics in calculations. This lesson you learn about base 10, base 100, base 1000 multiplication. Do you know about 12 times 12? From your memory or your times table. You should remember 12 times 12 equal to 144. Okay. Let's say if you forgotten, teach you this vertical way, base 10. Base 10 because 12 times 12. Okay. You put these 2 down and these 2 so equal to 4. So you place your 4 here. So this one is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So you put your 14 here. So the answer is 144. Okay, what about this one? 14 multiplied by 15. Same procedure, you put your 4 here, you times your 5 here is equal to 20. So you place your 20 here. Okay, see why the 2 becomes smaller? Because it is base 10. Only one digit allowed. So the 2 need to be carried. So same, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 19 place it here. Remember, as I say, the 2 need to carry. So 19 plus 2 is 21. So the answer is 210. Okay, try these questions. 15 multiplied by 16. So the front 2 digit will be 16. 15 plus 6. So the last digit will be 5 times 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. 5 times 6, 30. So the 3 need to be carried. So 21 plus 3 is 4. So it's 100. The answer is 240. Okay, now 19 times 18. The front 2 digit will be 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is 27. The last digit is 9 times 8. 72. The 7 need to be carried in front. So 17 plus 7. So it's 34. So the answer is 342. Okay, what about this? 17 multiplied by 16. 17 plus 6 is 23. The last digit 7 times 6 is 42. The 4 need to carry. So 27 plus 4. 23 plus 4 is 27. So the answer is 272. Okay. This is base 10. The procedure still the same. Exactly the same. Okay. 2 put here, you times 2 is equal to 4. So you place your 4 here. But remember, this is base 100. You need to 2 digit allowed. So you need to put 1 0 in front of 4. So this one will be the same. 1002 plus 2 is equal to 104. Put your 104 here though. So the answer is 10404. Okay, one more. 105 times 102. So same, 5 put here times 2 equal to 10. So 2 digits. So just nice 10 there without adding any number in front. Okay, so this one 105 plus 2 is 107. 107 be here. So it's 10710. Okay, try these questions. 105 times 106. Remember the 3 digit is 105 plus 6. The last 2 digit will be 5 times 6. So 105 plus 6 is 111. So the last 2 digits is 30. So the answer is 11130. Okay, what about this? 109 multiplied by 108. Remember the front 3 digit is 109 plus 8, so it's 117. The last 2 digit is 9 times 8, 72, so it's 117, 72. 102 times 103, okay. 102 plus 3 is 105. The last 2 digit is 2 times 3, 6, so it's 06, so the answer will be 10506. Okay, this is base 1000. Exactly the same procedure. 2 times 2 into 4. We place our 4 here, but then this is 1000. This place you need 3 digit. You add 2 0 in front, become 004. So 1 here, you put here 1002 plus 2 is equal to 1004. You place it here. That's the answer. 1004, 004. Okay, one more. Base 1000. Okay, same procedure. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. You place it here. 3 digit. So you need to add 1 0 in front. So the front 4 digits is still the same. 1005 plus 2 is 1007. So the answer is 10071010. Okay. Try these questions. Okay. 1005 times 1006. The front 4 digit will be 1005 plus 6. Last 3 digit will be 5 times 6. So it's 30. Put together 1011030. Okay, what about this? 1009 times 1008. So the front 4 digit will be 1009 plus 8, so it's 1017. The last 3 digit will be 9 times 8, 72, 072. So the answer is 1017072. Okay, what about this? 1005 times 1007. Okay, 1007 plus 5 is 1012. The last 3 digit will be 7 times 5, 035. So it's 1012035. Okay, I want you to see the difference. Okay, 19 multiplied by 18, 109 multiplied by 108, 1009 multiplied by 1008, 10009 multiplied by 1008. This is 342. This is 11772. This is 1017072. This is 100170072. Can you see the difference if I put a 0 in between? For more special multiplication method, please look out for the next video. That is special multiplication part 3. Thank you.